Let's go ahead and do another example. Let's show that 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta is sine theta plus cosine theta over cosine theta minus sine theta. Now, again, I can't give you a magic recipe for how to do these problems, but I can tell you things that I frequently try. And when I look at this, if I look at the right-hand side, I don't see a lot that I can do. But if I look at the left-hand side, I see that I can at least start with tangent of theta being sine theta over cosine theta, and maybe that'll get me somewhere. So I think that's what I'll try. So the left-hand side equals 1 plus sine theta over cosine theta divided by 1 minus sine theta over cosine theta. So this is reciprocal identities. And now I have the addition of fractions both in the numerator and denominator. That's called a complex fraction. I think I'd like to try simplifying those. So in order to do that, I need to get a common denominator in the numerator and denominator of cosine theta. So multiply this 1 by cosine theta over cosine theta and this 1 by cosine theta over cosine theta. That will get me cosine theta plus sine theta divided by cosine theta. That would be in the numerator, and in the denominator, I would get, let's see, cosine theta minus sine theta divided by cosine theta. Okay, so this is just fraction, or perhaps better worded common denominators. All right, so now I have one fraction divided by another fraction. I can multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator to do this division. So cosine theta plus sine theta divided by cosine theta times the reciprocal of the denominator is cosine theta divided by cosine theta minus sine theta. And the cosines, they cancel. And I'm just left with the right-hand side. And I guess this would just be fraction division. Make sure we label our steps, and that's it. I very frequently start the problem by writing tangents and cotangents as sine over cosine and cosine over sine respectively. So if there's a tangent in your problem and you don't know what to do, maybe start out trying to do that.